Yes, let me just this real quick. Domination on Karate. I had to follow this thing, you know. I paid attention. Sorry. Thing. But it was over the 10-minute mark. I mean, I looked at it. It was 9:30, 9 minutes 30 seconds. I mean, and you know, watch all be here. Okay, so the FAMAS, heartbeat, and grenade launcher. I still need to take this grenade launcher off. Now, big war on Bravo. Let's do this. Huh. He's a Kimbo. Let me get to my spot. Let me show you something. It's up in there. I'll show you. Dang, I really couldn't get there. But here's another thing to do. Where is he? Nope, don't live. And I climb right back up here. Just gotta camp up here. And then I can go right back across and fail. But yeah. He has a mini Uzi, it can go. I'll try it. Anyways, the FAMAS. Treat like a submachine gun ammo wise and assault rifle damage wise. Done now. But yeah. Hey, noob, you're in my spot. And it was, yay, 3 kill streak, so I want it right there. Thing is that the FAMAS is like kind of like the MP5K, you know, damage crap. This thing perfect here. I can only hear it. That's just the overall good spot to camp. You want to stay hidden, like such. Crap, no. You can go to one side or the other, but I'm not gonna do it just because I'm dying. But wow. Do I know what gun that is? So, FAMAS, 3-round burst. Goes, thing is, you can overjudge some shots. To where, you know, it's like, let me show you an example. No, that's just there. But, watch. See, it's a 3-round burst, and you can either go, or it needs a, you know, 6-shot burst. But, you gotta watch the time every now and then. Thing is, FAMAS can run very low on ammo if you shoot it enough and stuff. But probably do have a problem enunciating words, like I'm talking too fast, or I'll just say something wrong, like Samus or something like that. Dang, you keep killing me. Oh, there I am. And he sees it. But people complain about the M16 being too powerful and stuff like that. But, so if they use like FAMAS with stopping power, M16 right there. I mean, it just looks different. Basically it. I don't want to scare me. Or I can think. But, so, the FAMAS, I don't know if you need stopping power. Tell me if it benefits it. Crappy dappy do. Somebody up there. Really? What a noob. Watching love. Really? Seriously? Hey, I love it when you fall like a tree. Tell me if it does benefit. Just comment if it benefits. Tell me what attachments you used on it, if you mastered it. Tell me what you think about it overall. But, so I got red dot sight. Wow. Anybody seen a super kill? I've seen somebody get a triple kill with that one. Yeah. Well, wrong button. And there's a speed knifer, it looks like. Oh, watch, I'm gonna shoot you. Oh! Rush. So you can tell it's not my best game. Nope. Negative 42, probably. Chicken is speed. Okay, let me try to finish behind here in the next 3 minutes. Surprisingly, I'm gonna win, don't ask me how. I'm gonna run for FY. But it's not good enough. Is that Harry or Arch? Eating Skeeter. If that thing hits me again, I promise you. Well, dear God! Sorry, abusing you. Can't do that. Because C-nanners talk about it. Oh, okay. Bang. C-nanners talk about that. Oh my God, there's a noob up there. There's the biggest noob in the history. FAMAS. Tell me if it benefits stopping power. Commando Pro, Hardline Pro, soon to be Marathon Pro, or Scavenger Pro. Oh, run Scavenger on it. But, that's all I got for you. Because I'm not gonna, this makes me mad, really. But, tell me if it does benefit stopping power, and if you like the M16, and tell me what perks you use. If you have mastered it, tell me what you like about it, but don't use red dot sight or holographic, because I don't like the aim on it, preferably. And, I like the ACOG, no thermal, because every gun on the submachine gun or assault rifle with thermal sucks, basically. So, yes, okay,